When I was a young man, I had the privilege of working alongside some pretty amazing folks. I was involved in commercial construction, and on a single job site there could be hundreds or thousands of workers. I was an electrical apprentice, and one day I was working alongside an old carpenter, probably younger than I am now. One day he said, "Young man, let me share with you an idea." In this class, we will learn together how to anticipate and prepare new ideas, especially when those ideas just seem to pop up from nowhere. Discover how one simple carpenter's idea that I have shared with other professionals has helped thousands of businesses that I know personally from splitting and losing their inherent strength when sharp ideas materialize. Our learning objectives in this class and your homework assignments are to 1. Analyze one example of an idea that did not go as well as you hoped. 2. Rediscover how you learned at an early age to accept or reject new ideas. And 3. Create an outline to inspire new ideas that will improve your business.